From your Chapter 14 folder, open up the file Chapter 14, Power Circuits. From the project browser, scroll down and make sure that you've got Level 1 Power Plan open, and then zoom in to the south part of the building. Here we're going to start creating circuits and adding them to distribution boards. In previous exercises, we've seen that we can add them either individually or in groups. So let's do that for power. I'll select one socket, create a power system, I'll edit the circuit, select the other fittings that I want to be on that circuit. I can now select a panel. I can either do this by using the Select Panel and choosing the panel, or I can select it from the options bar. We'll look at that at the next circuit we create. Here you can see that I've selected panel LPS1. Once you've finished, click on Finish Editing Circuit. Now let's do the next one. This time, I'm going to select all the socket outlets in a room. I can now click on Create Power Systems, select my panel, and rather than zooming back to find the panel, I can pick it from my list. LPS1. Let's do that again. Select the sockets, create a power system, select a panel. Let's go for LPS1 again, and we'll do it again. Select the sockets, create a power system, select the panel, LPS1. On this last room, I'm going to make a deliberate mistake. I'm going to select some objects with two sockets that have already been placed in another circuit. Because they're already part of a circuit, we don't get the option to create a circuit. So let's clear my selection set and do that again. I'll select a single socket this time, create a power system. Now I'll edit my circuit. I'm going to add to the circuit. Now watch what happens if I select other sockets from other circuits. I have selected elements that are already part of other circuits. They will be removed from the original circuits and added to this one. And it shows me in the plan. If this was the intention, that's fine. If not, I can click on Remove Circuit and select the offending elements. Either select the panel or choose it from the Options bar drop-down and click on Finish. Now that I have my sockets selected and placed into a circuit, I'd like to be able to show my circuit lines. If I hover over one of the sockets and press the Tab key, this shows the circuit. If I select it, I now get the chance to add arc-type wiring or chamfer-type wiring. We also get the options from the Context toolbar on the ribbon. I can repeat this with the other circuits. Press Tab, select, and choose the type of wiring. Hover, press Tab, select, generate wiring. Hover, press Tab, select. This time we'll try the chamfered wire. And finally the last one, hover, Tab select, select, and chamfer again. With the circuits completed for power, we can now turn our attention to lighting.